Introducing first, from Hanoi, Vietnam, weighing in at 214 pounds, the Superstar.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
Always walking around with a chip on his shoulder. He's going to use that anger against his opposition.
And his partner, from Vietnam, weighing in at 232 pounds, Stone!
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
Weighing in at 177 pounds, Sunshine!
Gentlemen, this has all the makings of an all-time classic match, and I fully expect it to deliver on that promise. A competitor with his share of detractors, but he wants to prove them all wrong here tonight.
From Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, weighing in at 239 pounds, Susan!
Just look at the swagger on display. I love it.
Swagger? Really, Saxton? You know a number of people in the back just despise this superstar.
Well, the WWE Universe clearly disagrees with you, Corey.
Oh, what else is new?
And we're on our way in this tag team matchup.
There's a pecking order in the tag team division, and one of these teams is jockeying for position at the very top.
Right on the chops.
Sent into the corner.
Pinpointing the leg.
Punishing the leg.
Oh, strikes with the back elbow.
Splash!
And now he's looking to lock in this submission.
Now look at this, locked in. Submission move here.
And your man right now is looking for any way to break out of this, and he does.
Counters.
Great display of strength with the suplex.
Oh, look at this. What a headbutt.
Just mounted with punches. And not, oh, a nasty stomp to finish it off.
He's returning fire. Tags him in. Tag made. Tag made.
Standing Spanish fly. Are you kidding me?
Incredible. From the heavens. Boom! Perfectly timed with the knees. Oh, man.
Partner tags in.
Heading up top. Thinking big.
He's got him in the crosshairs.
From way up, double axe handle. Good defense.
Oh my God, DDT! Spiked him. Clean tag for his partner.
Timing with that reversal. Oh, right to the jaw. Oh, my. Sent flying. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my, what a splash. Comes in off the tag. Sharp kick.
Double leg drop. He's starting to struggle here.
This is when you have to take advantage of tag team rules and get yourself some breathing room. No good reason to stay in this right now.
Still in it.
Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent.
Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want.
Are you kidding me?
No, that'll break his arm. Vicious.
Taking aim on the arm.
The advantage now is squarely in his corner.
Yeah, he is being steadfast in his approach. Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
Well, that's one way to leave the ring, I suppose. He saw it coming, taking advantage. Oh, good contact. Counters, this could be an opportunity. And he's taking on a persistent assault. He's got to boost up his levels of aggression at this point. He's able to counter. Earth-shaking power slam. He gets tagged in.
From behind. German suplex.
9.
Here he goes for the win. He stops the count for his partner.
Big splash.
Cover. There's 2. No, 2 count. Really had less than a second to stay alive there. Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out. Treating the torso to yet another attack. just a revolving door of forearms.
Ref get ready to raise his hand. Cover! 2 count, maybe not. Ah, gets cracked by the overhand. Running elbow drop on target. Able to get the advantage here.
Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched. He's one step ahead there. These two showing how well scouted they each are. Lighten up the chest, and now straight to the knee. He's getting a little battered now.
Oh, targeting the stomach.
How's that for a counter? Oh, what a headbutt. Gets the tag. All measured up. Oh, a drop kick to the spine. Producing a trampling. He avoids the damage. A counter answered by another counter. Big impact off the neck breaker. Tagging his partner in now. Thanks for coming. End of days.
I think that'll do it.
2. He's still in this fight.
He's in total disbelief. That did not finish the job.
Everyone watching this is in total disbelief right now. And you can sense the desperation mounting as that last move couldn't finish things. No, that'll break his arm. Vicious. Dodges. Power slam. He's on his heels a bit now.
This is what the purpose of a tag team is. Don't be afraid to use the resources and help your partner offers. Am I being diplomatic enough, Cole?
I don't think any of these superstars are going to show any quit at this point. Never say die attitude on full display. The stomp in every single part of his body. Nice right hand. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. Getting tossed around. In the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target. It was almost all over, almost a 3 count.
Yeah, talk about a close call.
That move has brought victory before, but not on this occasion. Might be time to think outside the box. Great reversal. Oh, right in the face. He's positioned up on that turnbuckle.
I would not. What is going through the mind of this superstar right now?
A win at any cost. Avalanche Bulldog. Good night.
He's positioning himself, closing in.
Up and down the hard way.
Oh gosh.
Cover. He keeps his team in the match.
Whoa, leaping through the air.
He's looking a little off balance.
How in the world do these superstars have anything left at this point?
The arena's thinking the same thing. All eyes are focused on this moment. Tag.
Getting up, but doesn't have a clue what's coming at him.
Popped up. No way.
Yes way.
What power.
Power driver. Amazing execution.
Is it enough? The cover. 2, 3. Oh, he got it. What a win. We're going to be hard-pressed to see a better match than that. Here's another look.
Here are your winners.
And the winners celebrating together. Great chemistry tonight.
No frills, no gimmicks, just old school tag team excellence to get the victory.